The Secure America Institute is working extremely hard to strengthen the positive role that the thousands of manufacturers all across Texas have on national security. Our panel will be discussing how an empowered manufacturing ecosystem can overcome critical supply chain vulnerabilities through technology integration, economic development, policy shaping, and workforce training.
In 2020, China's value-add manufacturing reached $8.85 trillion. In that same year, the U.S. barely met $2.27 trillion, but the state of Texas had almost 11% of that in the U.S. by itself alone. Is the disparity warranted? And if it is resolution found in our supply chain, visibility or otherwise, in our policies, or is it technology, development, or adoption?
The Manufacturing Renaissance Report provides a great template that allows us in industry to have a conversation about things we can be doing today to expand U.S. manufacturing.
While most of us think of a John Deere or Lockheed Martin when we think of United States manufacturing, the reality is over 99% of all manufacturing entities are small businesses. Considering the fact that at any given point in time, an astounding 75% of their manufacturing sits idle, it is more critical now than ever that we figure out how to rapidly access this capacity, especially in light of the recent supply chain shocks we've experienced over the last 2 years.
The Secure America Institute sees a growing need for implementing a systems engineering-based approach to mitigating supply chain risks and to providing a path for manufacturers to integrate emerging and smart manufacturing technologies into their operations for long-term and sustained economic competitiveness.